What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on NIO stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you 4 catalysts that are moving NIO stock right now. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, at this point when we had the first touch of this range of support, and my main assumption was that we completed all 5 wave structure. Let me show you right here, from this bottom of $11.7 to this top of $24.28. And I have to say that I nailed the majority of these movements, and right now I still stand on my position that we might have another leg to the downside, and despite of this retest of the range of resistance, we still have more chances to hit lower levels. And let me show you why I think so. First of all, it is very tricky to make an assumption what type of retracement we have right now. Probably we might have the top of our B wave right here, or we might have the bottom of our A wave right here. It is very tricky, but it is not so important right now. All I have to say that we have these attempts to break this range of resistance, and we haven't seen the result of this breakout. This means most likely we should see a low price action, and for now we are retesting this range of support. So, in just several minutes, I will show you what should we expect next from the technical standpoint and what levels we might hit, but for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, let me show you this article. We are on eresearch.fidelity.com, and this article is nothing else but the summary of the Benzinga's article, and it's titled 4 Catalysts Moving NIO Stock on Monday. And let me quote you some information. Chinese stocks were pressured by the latest round of COVID-19 breakouts in parts of China. China has implemented a strict zero-COVID policy, and investors are concerned about the potential for another round of full lockdowns in major Chinese cities to weigh on the economy. In addition, Alibaba Group and Tencent Holdings were hit with yet another round of antitrust fines, suggesting the ruling Chinese Communist Party remains determined to limit the power and growth of its largest tech companies. And I have to say that these fines are not so high. I covered it in my previous video on Alibaba. And these fines are about $75,000. But all in all, it is quite a bearish sign in general, because Chinese Communist Party is still pursuing its targets to have more control on the tech giants. And let me quote you further. NIO report to a short seller. And NIO announced on Monday that it will form an independent committee to investigate allegations by short seller Grizzly Research that NIO is playing accounting games to inflate revenue and boost net income. The Grizzly report was released in late June, and NIO has said it contains numerous errors, unsupported speculations, and misleading conclusions and interpretations. And definitely this response was quite a bullish sign, because it is some kind of debatable information in this short seller report, and it has to be some kind of resolution of this issue, because NIO has to disclose more sensitive information about their profits and about the structure of these profits from BAAS model. And another catalyst, and in my opinion it is the most important right now. Finally, Bank of America analyst Min-Hsun Lee hosted a conference call with NIO management on Monday to discuss details of the company's strategic outlook. In a new note, Lee said NIO is on track for a number of product launches and updates between now and the end of 2024. And I have to say that new launches of their new products might drastically improve their fundamentals, because I think if they will represent the SUV model in their lineup, this will drastically increase their sales in general. And in my opinion, it will happen in next about 12 months. So, further information. Management said NIO has increased its daily production capacity from 400 units to 600 units, and orders from both the ES7 and ET7 have been strong. And I have to say that this increase is the main part of the entire article, because it is a 50% increase in their production capacity, and this 50% increase might lead to as high as 18,000 vehicles per month for NIO, and probably by the end of this year they might enter with more than 25,000 vehicles per month. So, further information. NIO is targeting EBITDA to break even in Q4 2023 with a quarterly delivery of over 100,000 units, similar to what its rival Tesla achieved previously, Lee said. NIO also said it expects to transition to profitability in 2025. Bank of America has a buy rating and a $31 price target for NIO. And I have to say that these several paragraphs are really important because this information is the crucial points for its upcoming strategy for the next couple of years. And because of this information, definitely we might see much higher targets. But I have to say that for now, we might see some decrease in its price because this is long-term targets, and these targets cannot push the price higher immediately. And let me show you another information. We are on the list of institutional investors, and I have to say that right now we can see a cautious buys from investors, and we have several red lines that represent the closed position and green rows that represent new positions. And I have to say that this company closed its position, but it is not the highest position. It was only 115 shares at the value of $2,000. And I have to say that these cautious buys shows the potential of NIO, and shows that 15 and lower dollars range might be very attractive from the fundamental standpoint. And you might wonder why I'm telling you about $15. And definitely you have to remember that these filings was made with a delay of at least 45 days. This means the exact deal was made about 45 or even more days prior the current date. And I have to say that right here we had the price of below $15. That is why I'm telling you about this price target. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I have to say that we completed the entire structure of 5 waves, and we are in the retracement mode. And to measure the levels where we might land, I pulled the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this very top, as you can see right here. And we have following levels. As you can see, we broke the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level at the price point of $21.31. And we reached the next range of support, that is slightly above the next crucial level of $19.48. But in my opinion, we still have the possibility to hit, to at least to touch this range. And if it happens, definitely this might be your first accumulation point if you want to invest in this asset, I think for at least 6-month period. And if the price goes lower, it is the next range where we might land is 0.5 level, and it is the $18 mark, and it is the confluence with this yellow line. It is the previous support and resistance. And definitely this range, this one, and probably even golden pocket range might act as the accumulation points for you as the long-term investor. So, and what are the targets? I have to say that for now it is too early to make the assumption of the targets, but when we will see the retracement, when we will see the bounce, I have to say, the bounce from its lowest point of the retracement, I can project the price target for NIO. But for now, I still stand on my position that you have to be cautious with your long position from current prices, but when we hit lower price targets, it might be the signs that you can start to accumulate your position. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. impact. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it